Welcome to Flowbase CO. So I'll walk you through how to use the assignment tab on the student planner template. So I'll just try to go and click the assignment tab over here. So here first we have the how to use. So this how to use will give us the complete instructions on how to use this particular complete tab. So then below this one we have the buttons, like to create the new assignment we have the buttons over here. Then we have the notifications. So what all the notifications which are related to today's assignment, whatever has been completed, what has to be completed, upcoming and what has been completed, all these we'll get it over here. Then on the right hand side, we have the assignments and project by status. So here you can see by status, you can just try to go and see all your assignments and projects. So how many have been not started, how many are in progress, and how many have been completed. So if you just try to go and click not started, you will see all the assignments which are not started. And the next is in progress. So here you can see all the in progress assignments over here. Then you have all the completed assignments over here. So this about the complete assignments and project by status. So below this one, you have the overdue assignments and projects. So here you can see what are all the assignments which are overdue and like which has passed the due date. You will be able to completely see it over here. Then you have the assignments and project by priority. So here you have three different priorities. One is low, medium and high. So if you click low, you can see these are all going to be your low priority projects. Then you have the medium priority, all your medium priority projects and assignment. Then you have the high priority. So these are all the high priority project and assignments. So below this one, you have the note. So you can just try to go and add your notes over here. Then you have the upcoming assignment and project. So you just try to have all your assignments over here completely listed down as a list format, and it's categorized into which subject. So you can see like literature subject, I have these assignments for these are nothing but the courses, like the mathematics and statistics are the course. So for each and every course, everything is listed. So if you try to go and add a filter like today, you can see no assignment. Like this week, you don't have any assignment. So by course, if you want to see, like you can just try to see by course what are all the assignments you have. So that is the complete details over here. So next you have the assignment and project calendar. So you here like you can see all your assignments and projects on your calendar. So on which due date you want to like complete those particular assignments, you'll be completely able to see it over here. So here if I just try to go for September 2025, you can see all the assignments listed over here like this. So all the assignments, whatever is the due date for each and every day, you will be able to completely see it over here. So this is about the complete assignments tab on the student planner template.